The Nomad button lives in the top right corner of your browser. Here I'm on the public Sage website, and I'm going to do a search for leadership theory. Remember, I haven't gone through the library, I'm just on Sage's public website. So here I found an article. You can see it shows a lock, which means, as far as Sage knows, I don't have access. But since I have LibKey Nomad installed, when I click on the article, instead of dealing with all these access options, I can look in the bottom left corner of my screen and click the Download PDF button. Now, the first time you do this with Nomad, you'll have to input your login credentials like you would logging into the library in Moodle. Then it knows you're allowed to have access, and it will pull up the PDF for you. So here's another example. This is just the public Wiley online library site. Again, I did not go through Fielding's library. And here I've run a search. I'm interested in this top result. And when I click on it, instead of dealing with all of the tools inside that database, I click on that download PDF link again at the bottom of the screen, and that's what links me back to Fielding's collection and gives me full text access to this PDF. So you can also use this in Wikipedia, not just publisher databases. So here I'm pulling up an entry for information literacy. In Wikipedia, you'll just see a provided by link in the bottom left corner. If you actually want to use LibKey Nomad, scroll down to the references section and you'll see individual download PDF buttons associated with references in that list. And you would use it the same way, where I can click a reference and then connect to the PDF in our library. The only tool that functions a little differently is PubMed. In PubMed, after you run a search, instead of having to choose an individual item, you will see the LibKey Nomad buttons on the results page, which is a nice feature. So you'll know right away if we have something or not. Here I click Download PDF, got the full text just like I would in the other cases. In PubMed, you also get the bonus of having the browsing link. So if you click View Complete Issue, that will take you to the journal and drop you at the particular volume and issue in which the article is contained. So here's that article, but if I scroll up, I can see I'm in the journal Autism in volume 18, issue 2. Now PubMed will show you things we might not have access to, so if you're scrolling along and you notice something that just says Access Options, Access Options means this article isn't available in Fielding's library. But if you click on that link, it will take you to what we call our No Results page, and you can click on the Request button and submit an interlibrary loan order for the item. And it'll auto-populate the PubMed ID in the citation, so you just need to put in your Fielding information and submit the order. And that's it. As long as you have Nomad installed, it will notify you and connect you to works in our library.